Hey everyone, in this video, let's take a closer look at Penn, our copywriting AI employee with Sintra AI. In order to do so, here we are at Sintra AI. We're all logged in, and here we have our different AI employees. And here is Penn, our copywriter. Let's go ahead and click on Penn, and here we can see our options. First off, what we might want to do is start a new chat. And we could see here that we have some helpful suggestions if we want to get rolling with Penn. We can also enter in our queries here at the bottom. You can even use voice in order to talk to Penn as well. So that's pretty neat. We can attach a file. If you have a specific file that you want to use, then you can attach that there. If we click on any of these options, let's go ahead and try developing a compelling newsletter. Why not? Can you help me create a monthly newsletter that keeps my subscribers engaged and informed of my latest offerings? Fantastic. Let's go ahead and click on that. And now Penn is hard at work answering our question. Penn's very excited. Sounds good. And you can see here that already providing some invaluable insights for us to take into consideration. And so here we already have, here's our template for a newsletter. So this is just one example of how you can take advantage of Penn. And here on the left-hand side, we have all of our different chats. Here you'll see these options with the red dots. This is an idea that Penn has suggested. So if we go back to our homepage, you'll see right now it says no ideas for today because I've already gone through them. And above each of our AI employees, we have this little red marker with a number in it. And that's an indication that there is an idea there that we've generated for us to take a look at. So we'll head back here to Penn, and we have our suggestion: creating story templates to make AI concepts beginner friendly. I've developed narrative frameworks that transform complex AI concepts into relatable, easy to understand stories for complete beginners. These templates will help create engaging content that resonates with you and your YouTube audience while maintaining educational value. Fantastic. Thank you, Penn. So you can see here that we have these different suggestions. And at the bottom, we can either copy this, we can even regenerate it. We can even say, no, I didn't like that, Penn. That's a bad response. We can click that if necessary, or we could save it to our drive. We just click on that. It'll save directly to our drive so we can consolidate all of the best information that we want to take advantage of. Really fantastic. Now, here we'll see up at the top left-hand corner, we've got this little gear icon. If we click on that, then you'll see that we have some additional options here, and this we can find for each of our different AI helpers. So we could change the vibe. So with Penn, we could set this to business casual, or we can move this bar around and we could set it to whatever it is that we want. So Penn the copywriter, let's go ahead and set it to business casual. I think that's good. We're going to go ahead and set this to long because I want to have more in-depth details from Penn. Also, I want to set this to expert. I want to make sure that we have expert style responses, not so much casual or basic, but we really want to have some details. So I'm going to go ahead and set that. We can also modify the traits. We can always search Google. We can copy my writing style. I like to say always search Google because I think that's a good way to make sure you're getting some good responses. Then here we can also set custom instructions. So if there's anything specific that you want Penn to know before you get your responses, then you can enter that in there. And that's going to show up here in our Brain AI section. So if we go over to Brain AI, then you're going to see that we have a variety of factoids that Sintra has been gathering through our different interactions. And this is how Sintra is able to tailor its responses to your specific needs. Fantastic. We can answer guided questions. So if we click on that, why not? Then you could see here that we have some questions. This one is specifically from Emmy, but we can go ahead and go through all these questions and answer them. And Sintra is going to get to know us that much better. let's go ahead and head back here to Penn. And here we have Penn answering another one of our ideas, or providing another idea for us to take a look at. So all of this is just to give you an idea of what kind of responses you're going to get from your AI employees. And they can really help you to see certain things that you might not necessarily clue into, but they have these helpful suggestions, and the more that they get to know you, the more tailored their responses can get. Let's go ahead and take a look here at Penn's Powerups. So on the left-hand side here, you're going to find this section that says Powerups, and each AI employee has its own specific set of power-ups to explore. And if you want to go to power-ups, then you'll get a complete list of all of the power-ups that you have available. But in this case, these are Penn's power-ups. So what we can do with Penn is we can change the tone and format of your writing. We can write newsletters for your email list. We can write ads for your products. We can write simple emails. If there's a simple email you need to generate, Penn can do that for you. We could generate Facebook posts. We can rewrite your favorite ad to suit your product. We could generate a compelling blog post based on your offer. Create an engaging advertorial for your product. Craft a compelling video sales letter, a VSL for your product. All of these are what you have available with Penn, and these are all incredibly useful. Let's go ahead and generate a compelling blog. Why not? So this is what you're going to see with your power-ups. On the left-hand side, you'll have some places here that you need to fill in. So in this case, we're looking for our topic. So let's go ahead and enter in a topic. Okay, so I just went with how Sintra AI can help your business succeed. We can enter in some custom instructions here if we want, but let's go ahead and click on Generate. And now Penn is hard at work generating a blog post that we can take advantage of here. So here we go. And this is fantastic stuff. So what I can do is I can take this and I can put this on my social media and use this as an opportunity to promote Sintra and what it's capable of. And on that note, with Sintra, there's just so much potential here. And really, it's probably my favorite AI tool that I've come across. I've looked through a lot of different tools that are out there. I mean, there's some really fantastic stuff out there, but Sintra really stood out to me when I got to know what it was about. I really saw the potential here and I got excited about it. And here is a perfect example of why Sintra is so powerful. Being able to generate things like this, blog posts like this, is going to really help you with your business. If you, whatever it is, if you're a beginner, if you have an established business and you're just trying to find a competitive edge, Sintra can really help you with that. And the potential here is just incredible. We are so excited about Sintra that we partnered with them, and we're happy to be able to offer a promo code Skillcraft60. If you click on the link in the description, then you'd be helping us out. We'd certainly appreciate it. And if you go through checkout and you add Skillcraft60 to your promo code, then you'll get a month free of Skillcraft to be able to test it out for yourself. And I am confident that if you give Skillcraft, give Sintra time and answer the questions and get to know it, let it get to know you, you're going to find some invaluable resources, some invaluable insights, and it can really help your business to succeed and thrive. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips.